So here's the best side hustle that you can start in 2023, whether you're a complete beginner, you're working full-time or part-time. And no, you don't have to chase down your friends and family, you don't have to ship out any products yourself or even create your own products. But you are going to need a laptop, a cell phone, and an internet connection in order to get started. So make sure to like this video and also save it for your reference. It's called affiliate marketing and it's a $17 billion industry. And it's where companies pay you every time that you send them a customer to buy a product from their website. And there's plenty of companies like Amazon, Target, Walmart, Best Buy, Home Depot, and plenty more that will pay you to send them customers. So here's a simple breakdown of how this process works. So first you would pick a product to promote as an affiliate. Then you would create content on social media platforms promoting that product, and you're going to send that traffic to something that's called a landing page. This is where people are going to enter in their name and email in order to learn more about what you're offering. After that, they're going to be redirected to something called a bridge page. This is typically a page that has a short video of you or somebody else explaining a little bit more about the product. From the bridge page, they're going to be taken to the sales page where they have the option to buy that product for themselves. Now, if they do purchase that product, then you would earn a commission as an affiliate. So this whole process is called the sales funnel, and if you want me to go into more detail, just let me know in the comments. And this is the same method that regular people are using to earn online on a consistent basis. Now, if you want to learn more on how to get started, all you have to do is just follow me and also leave a comment.